Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I got from the shop. It is Fitbit Charge 3. You already know that Fitbit is a fitness tracker. Fitbit has many models like Fitbit Versa, Ace, Ionic, Area, Charge 3, Inspire, etc. I bought Fitbit Charge 3. Do you want to know why I chose this model? Let's explore its features. It automatically tracks activity, exercise and sleep. It includes how many steps you climb in the staircase. It has 24/7 heart rate tracking, know how many calories you are burning every day. It has auto sleep tracking. It has female health tracking to track periods, to estimate ovulation and fertility window, which is most important for busy women who forget their personal health. It is also swim proof, so now you can wear it while you swim to track your swimming achievements. And it has on-wrist payment with Fitbit Pay. We also get payment notifications and more. You can set the workout goals and you can view the real-time stats. Also, we can connect with friends. We can download the app for weather. Interchangeable bands are available. Of course, it's sold separately. Battery life is up to 7 days. How amazing it is, isn't it? For almost 1 week, you no need to think about charging your Fitbit during weekdays if you charge it on weekends. That much easy it is. It's durable and lightweight in design. This one is blue-gray classic band rose gold aluminium tracker. And this is black classic band graphite aluminium tracker. Now I'm going to open this. I'm taking the other stuff. It has the manual. You can get more information from this manual, and it comes with 2 bands, small and large one. Of course, it has a super easy charger as well. Now I'm going to show you how it looks when it's worn on wrist. This is with small band. And this is with large band. Both are beautiful and super stylish. Which one do you like, this one or this one? Please post your comments. To start this, you need to download and install the Fitbit app on your device like mobile or iPad and pair your Fitbit device through Bluetooth. I'm just turning this on by double tapping on the display, and it shows the time and it shows exercise and relax mode. So you can put it in relax mode and you can relax after doing exercise. It has timer and alarms, weather and settings. That's it. And if you scroll up, you can see the number of steps you walked, and you can see the heart rate even at resting time, and it shows how many kilometers you're walking, how many calories you are burning, how many steps you're climbing, and you can see the sleep tracking, everything. You can scroll up and down like this. You can scroll sideways, and the on off button is at the left side of the Fitbit. So if you press it, it turns on. If you press it again, it turns off. That's it. Very easy. I'm satisfied with this model, and it has made me active and energetic thanks to Fitbit. It's voted as 2018 Fitness Tracker of the Year by Wearable. It sounds great, isn't it? I hope this video is useful for you. Please like and share my video. Also subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos to explore more useful products around us. Honestly, I share the products which I like the most amongst the products which I buy. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.